What's going on, everyone? Welcome back again to Foxtecc, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check and customize your ringtone on your iPhone. Whether you're tired of your current one or you just want to make sure everything is set up correctly, or you just want to know what your ringtone actually is, I'm going to guide you through the steps. At first, we need to access the ringtone settings on your iPhone. So start by opening the settings app. That is the gear icon of you, as you of course know. So once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section controls all the audio and vibration settings on your iPhone. From here, select Ringtone to view and change your ringtone settings. In the ringtone settings, you'll see a list of all available ringtones, which includes the default ringtones that come with your iPhone from the date of purchase, or any of the custom ringtones you have added, you purchased, or downloaded through iTunes, whatever it is. So you can tap on each ringtone to hear a preview and choose the one that you like the most, right? Additionally, if you want to customize the vibration pattern that accompanies your ringtone, you can do that here as well. You need to just tap on vibration at the top of the screen to choose from different haptic patterns, or even create a custom vibration if you're into it. If you're looking for new ringtones, you can purchase them from the Tone store. So just tap on that option and it's going to move you over to the iTunes store. I mean, it's not really as common to buy like ringtones nowadays, but here you can still get the, like all of the latest songs as ringtones and stuff. You can just pay for like $2 or $1, whatever it is, for a ringtone, and it's just going to be saved within your account. As I said, you can also just create your custom ones from, let's say, your own songs or your own production, sound effects, whatever it is. But you can also do it, but that's for a different video, right? So you might also encounter an issue when your phone is not ringing. So you might have the proper ringtone set up, but it's still not ringing. So it's probably because your iPhone is in the silent mode. So yeah, it's up to you, or perhaps you are connected to some kind of AirPods or headphones or something, so you cannot hear the preview if you tap it. I mean, there are a couple of issues, but usually it all should work, right? So as you are in this section, you should also know about the volume slider, which can adjust the volume of the actual ringtone. But besides that, that's everything what I wanted to share with you. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will see you later on in the future. For now, thanks a lot for watching.